Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very effective and trending hair serum at home using aloe vera. Aloe vera is a very healthy ingredient and you can use it both internally and externally. Very easy to make at home, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. This is how an aloe vera plant looks like. This aloe vera is very good for your skin and hair. This treats wrinkles, stimulate collagen production, reduces scar, heal wounds and treat acne. You just need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel for this recipe. I've already made a video on how to separate the aloe vera gel. I'll be giving the video link in the description box, you can check on it. Add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel to a bowl like this. Then to this add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. You can go with your favorite brand. This coconut oil moisturizes dry scalp, reduces inflammation, promotes wound healing, have antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. Then add a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. This moisturizes hair, has wound healing properties, prevents from skin cancer, reduces itching, prevents from fine lines and wrinkles. Then to this add a teaspoon of vitamin C powder. This reduces the risk of chronic disease, manages high blood pressure, lowers your risk of heart disease, prevents from iron deficiency and boosts your immunity power. Now give all the ingredients a good mix. Now my effective homemade hair serum using aloe vera is ready. Store it in a bottle in your refrigerator and you can use this for a week's time. I recommend you to make the serum fresh and use it right away for best results. Very useful and a healthy serum recipe. So do try this homemade aloe vera hair serum recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.